who you are, how long you've been with the company, maybe your background.
Michael Dorsey from Alpharetta, Georgia. I've been with the company, it was 30 years, 4 days ago. So my 30th.
Wow.
And landscaping.
Landscaping.
Martavius Hillman, Atlanta, Georgia. Background is the adult beverage industry. I sell alcohol. Been with the company to be 5 years in June.
All right.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Chris Miller. Background is that of the hospitality industry. Nothing adult related, just simply restaurant management, and I was involved in that for 9 years prior to LegalShield.
Good morning, everybody. Paula Londoño Miller. You guys catch that Latina in there? Background is medical field radiology for 20 plus years.
Verna Heath, Houston, Texas. I've been in the business 25 years. My background was dancing and twirling. I choreographed halftime performances for dancers, twirlers, and flag corps. And I taught about 300 students a week.
Good morning, family. My name is Ken Roebuck. Been with LegalShield for 26 years. Background is I tried out to be a Chippendale. That didn't work. Just retired U.S. Navy, 24 years.
All right. Keep it down there. So Ken, I'll start with you down at that end.